The kitchen is the heart of the home, but too often, poor design choices turn it into a frustrating space. Whether it's cluttered counters, cramped layouts, or awkward seating, these mistakes can get in the way of enjoying your kitchen. So today in this video, I'm going to highlight common kitchen design mistakes and show you simple fixes that will transform the space into something that's functional, beautiful, and hopefully a pleasure to be in. A kitchen is often a shared workspace, and when there's not enough room for two people to move around freely, it can feel like you're navigating an obstacle course. The sweet spot for clearance is about 48 inches between countertops. This amount of space lets two people move around freely and collaborate without the chaos. So whether you're cooking with family or hosting friends, this extra space makes the kitchen feel open and welcoming. I've talked about using mirrors in your home to make a space seem larger than it is, but mirrors don't really belong in the kitchen. I mean, it might seem a clever way to make the space feel bigger, but in reality, they're a maintenance nightmare. Between steam, grease, and splashes, mirrors in the kitchen means you'll be cleaning it constantly. So if you want to enlarge your space, instead just invest in some good lighting. Strategic lighting can do everything a mirror promises without the endless maintenance. Task lighting on the cabinets or statement pendants over an island will brighten your space beautifully. And you can also opt for lighter color palettes and glossy tiles that are easier to clean. I mean, did you know that historically, mirrors have been considered bad luck to have in kitchens? In feng shui, mirrors reflecting the stove are said to double the heat, creating imbalance. So aside from being impractical, mirrors, if you believe in that kind of thing, could be throwing off the energy of your kitchen too. A kitchen should feel clean and organized, and visible bins disrupt that flow. Plus, studies show that even small amounts of visible waste can make a space feel unhygienic, which doesn't exactly whet the appetite. So the fix is pretty simple. Integrate your bins into your cupboards. A pull-out bin system hides the mess and keeps the aesthetics sharp, making your kitchen a more pleasant place to work and eat in. Positioning essentials like your hob or sink in a corner is a recipe for frustration. Corners are where kitchen flow goes to die. You'll be bumping into walls and losing valuable counter space on both sides. So instead, place key elements like your hob or sink in central locations with counter space on either side. Comfort is king when it comes to kitchen seating, and without enough legroom, your counter seats become pretty useless. You don't want to be constantly bumping your shins against the countertop and giving yourself bruises. If sitting at the counter is uncomfortable, it won't get used and you lose the social, casual dining vibe you want your countertop to have. So instead, make sure there's at least 15 inches of knee space between the edge of the counter and the seat. A backsplash is more than just a design element. It serves as a functional barrier that protects your walls from water, grease, and food splashes. Without a proper backsplash, you'll be left scrubbing your kitchen walls constantly, which can lead to staining and damage. Over time, moisture can seep into the walls, leading to problems like mold or peeling paint. So always install a durable, easy to clean backsplash behind your hob, your sink. Having a backsplash will not only make cleaning easier, but will also add a stylish element to your kitchen design. If you found these kitchen design tips helpful, be sure to check out the videos that's popping on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.